Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, what bank has the highest Zelle limit? I know this is a question that a lot of people are asking, especially with the rise in popularity of peer-to-peer payment apps like Zelle. Before we get into the answer, let's take a quick look at what Zelle is and how it works. What is Zelle? Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's free to use, and you can link it to your bank account, debit card, or credit card. How does Zelle work? To use Zelle, you simply need to add the recipient's email address or phone number to your app. Then, you can enter the amount you want to send and hit send. The money will be transferred to the recipient's account almost immediately. What is the highest Zelle limit? The highest Zelle limit varies depending on your bank. Some banks have a limit of $500 per day, while others have a limit of $1,000 per day. There are also some banks that have no limit at all. So, what bank has the highest Zelle limit? After doing some research, I found that the bank with the highest Zelle limit is Chase Bank. Chase Bank has a limit of $10,000 per day. This is great news for people who need to send or receive large amounts of money using Zelle. Here are some other banks with high Zelle limits. Bank of America, $5,000 per day. Wells Fargo, $5,000 per day. Citibank, $5,000 per day. USAA, $5,000 per day. If you're looking for a bank with the highest Zelle limit, then Chase Bank is the best option for you. However, if you're on a budget, then any of the other banks on this list are a good choice. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about Zelle. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about Zelle. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.